judging other people's relationships hinders my own. Hello my beautiful manifestators, welcome back to my channel. In my channel I talk a lot about manifestation, about different techniques for manifestation, and about things that hinder your manifestation from becoming true. And one of the things we're going to talk about today is judging. And in the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how I realized, how I had this download of why I don't have relationships and how it's related to judging. So please stick around and watch this video till the end. Judging is very ingrained in our brain, and it's very common for us to gossip, to judge other people, to make ourselves better. Because by judging other people, we feel better, we feel right, we feel good, and all this stuff. And I started to learn this topic when I read about this in the Abraham Hicks books. And he says that if you judge someone successful, you will never be successful. If you judge someone wealthy, you will never be wealthy. If you judge someone who is in a relationship, you will never be in a relationship. Or you might be, but you still will be unhappy about this relationship, or it won't work out like you wanted it to work out. So for me, it was a huge revelation. And before, I used to judge people, and I'll give you an example like Trump. You can't judge Trump and not judge the wealth, the success, the power, the fame, all the things that he has, all the things that are associated with his name. I'm not saying that we need to approve the people like him or any other people who are not doing good stuff, but at the same time, we need to find this balance where we don't approve and we don't judge, and we need to stay neutral in order for our manifestations to become true. Because when we judge someone who is wealthy, our brain automatically thinks, okay, if she is judging him, then she doesn't want to be like him. She doesn't want to be wealthy. She doesn't want to be a figure of importance, an influencer. He is an influencer one way or another. And she doesn't want to be successful, or she doesn't want to reach her goals, or like to become this influential figure. Before, when people would tell me that it's bad, you need to stop judging, or you need to stop gossiping, I was like, okay, I do whatever the fuck I want. It's my life, and if I want to judge, I will judge. But when I read and when I realized how it hinders my manifestations, I'm like, okay, I stopped judging right now, and I started to be neutral about all these things, and I started to feel so much relieved and so much happier about my life. And I was able to manifest things quicker in my life too. So if you're judging, and if you're watching this video, you're definitely judging, and people with the same problems like I used to judge and you're probably judging now, they tend to attract. And if you're watching this video and you're attracted to my videos, to me, then in some way or another, you need to resolve this problem of judging, and to make sure that you resolve it in order to make your manifestations come into reality. So first thing is to be aware that we're judging, and second thing is to ask yourself when you're judging, okay, do I want to judge, or do I want my manifestations to come into reality? And I always choose the latter, and I always choose my manifestation to become true. That's why I stopped judging. Not because someone was telling me that it's bad, but because I realized how it hinders my manifestations. So now the story about how I realized that judging other people's relationships hinders my own. And I would tell my girlfriends all the time, like, why are you dating this guy? He's not worth of your time and energy. Like, you're not a good couple. And I think I was telling them that they could find someone better, and I judged them for settling. I judged them for agreeing to be in a relationship with someone just to be in a relationship and not to feel alone. And I realized that who am I to judge other people's relationships? They know what's better for them, and if they are in this relationship, that means that at this stage of life they need this experience in order to evolve, in order to transform, in order to find more spirituality maybe in this life. So I stopped judging, and I told myself that if universe made them stick around, stick together, then I'm not the one who needs to judge and who needs to decide what is right for them. Another example is when I was judging the couples with big age difference, like Tina Kunaki and Vincent Cassel. I was like, this is so bizarre. They are a strange couple. This is not normal to have this huge age difference. And again, who am I to judge someone's relationships? Who am I to decide what is normal and what is not? And this was a huge revelation for me. This explained why I don't have relationships myself, because I always judge other people. From now on, I decided to divert this energy from judging to taking care of my life. I have my own life. I have my own manifestations, and instead of spending my time and energy on judging other people's lives, I would spend it on my own life, on fixing what's wrong, on clearing out all the blocks, on manifesting and making my intentions and stuff like this. So again, stop judging and you'll see how amazing your life will become, how much happier and more relieved you will feel. And if you notice that you're judging someone, and if this video was helpful in having this insight on how it hinders your manifestations, please leave the comments down below. And I also get a lot of comments from people when I talk about judging, is that, well, how can you not understand? This is like worse judging. This is so bad, or like this situation is so bad and I have to judge this person. I just can't judge. But I learned on my experience that you can't stop judging at any point, and you can stop judging anyone. So no matter how hard it is, no matter how bad these people are who you are judging, no matter what they did, you can stop judging. If you want your manifestations to come true, you can stop judging. And this is it for today. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. In my next video, I will be talking about how I underappreciated the manifestations that I made, and in total I made about $170,000 worth of manifestations, and I didn't even notice it. So in details, I'm going to talk about the all biggest manifestations in my life for like $170,000. Thank you for watching, and keep manifesting the life of your dreams. Bye.